Okay, are you ready for some turns, Iwona?
I'm not ready, but I'm ready.
Yeah, okay.
Let's do it.
I'm looking forward to meet nice people and see the nature, see the nice landscapes, and of course in this situation, trucks. I am with the fishing dock, and over there is my fishing guide. I am very excited.
We are going to try to catch a cod.
Cod. I had a cod nice.
And
cod.
maybe a small halibut.
Oh.
Okay, let's fish. You support yourself here?
Okay, like this?
Let's go. Yes.
Come, come, come.
Very good.
Uh-oh. I have a fish! I think I have one.
Very good.
Come on, no, maybe it's not. I have it. Oh my gosh, I have it.
No, it was the angle. Oh, disappointment.
But I had fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, I thought that I have a fish and the fish is alive. Everybody is happy.
Oh, very good.
I think that deep sea fishing is very exciting. On one hand, it's all about this instinct to catch a fish, to hunt. But on the other hand, the landscapes are so phenomenal. I think it's time to give it up for today. I nearly caught a fish, it's just that I don't have a skill yet. But now it's time for me to go to the truck and keep on rolling. Hi Johannes!
Hello Iwona, welcome to Finnsnes. Today we are going out to Senja and we will be loading some fish, salmon.
Salmon?
Yeah.
I love salmon.
The popular Norwegian salmon.
Oh, that's great.
I will take the wheel first and we'll show you the roads out to where we are going, and then I think you can drive back.
Great.
And try these roads we have out here.
I'm so happy, can't wait.
It will be fun.
It would be.
Yeah.
Oh, sheep! What are they doing here?
They are living here.
Oh my gosh!
It's the local farmer who has a lot of them.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy!
So now we are coming up to one of the tunnels. It says centric driving, so you have to keep in the center of the tunnel. So it's 630 meters.
Okay, so you flash the light.
Yeah.
Do you horn or not? Oh, 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 oh! And it's not like flat.
No,
Oh my
it's
gosh. I've got the goosebumps. Oh wow. I think that driving here requires skills. As Johannes said before, they need to learn fast here. He's only like 1 year of experience and he's driving on the toughest roads in Europe. The trailer is being loaded right now, and once it's finished, we change the carts and I am the one who will be driving. I can't wait to cross the tunnel.
So because we don't use the retarder too much, is because, especially in the winter time, if you are going full on the retarder, you will lock your wheels. So it's important to to be light with it, and we do it year round to just don't get a bad habit. We used to say that we use the retarder and or engine brake to just hold the speed, not break the speed.
So here is the tunnel, right?
Here is the tunnel, yes.
Do you think I can make it?
What?
That I will fit in there?
If it's just us, it will be okay. But
all right.
If we get company by other trucks, it can be fun.
Oh!
You just go.
What do we do now? Maybe I reverse. It's not far away.
No, we don't reverse. Just you follow these white lines.
Okay, look at the camera here. Oh, there are two of them.
There are two of them, but it's okay.
I'm not sure right now.
You just go.
Are you sure? I am not.
I'm sure.
Okay.
You just stay control of your cars on the sides. As long as you are on this side of the white line.
It's tight, it's close, like 5 centimeters I see. So I'm not sure. Yeah, it's fine now.
We didn't hear any honking, so I think it's okay. As we say in Norway, all clearance is good clearance. So this was perfect, no problem.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah.
I fell in love with Norway, and I think that if I didn't have my company and my Volvo back in Poland, I would moved here.
So the transportation of the fish today and the driving, the roads, what do you think about it?
I think that driving here, especially on those very little narrow roads, is very challenging for a driver. It was challenging for me today in a perfect weather conditions, and seriously I can't imagine how you make it how you make it in the winter. I really have a great respect for your work. I am going to fly helicopter.
Are you ready for some turns, Iwona?
I'm not ready, but I'm ready.
Yeah, okay.
Let's do it. That's so fucking cool.
I feel so happy. My legs are shaking. It was amazing, breathtaking, exciting, phenomenal, beautiful, wonderful, everything.
This is it. Whoa.
That very moment you feel that you're alive.
Yeah.
You know, machines and nature, that's the power. Welcome to Norway. I've been waiting for that. Come on, join us. We're going to North Cape. Oh my God, how is that even possible? That I'm here, that I came here with a truck? This experience convinced me to make a little bit more time for other things in my life. Yeah, because I stay on the road all the time. I love trucking, I love my Volvo, but sometimes I think that I should find a little bit more room for adventure. Yeah. So this is what I will bring home from this Volvo Trucking Adventure. Today convinced me that, yeah, this is it.